Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Beauty by Ada here again, and today we are going to be doing a knotless braid. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Yeah, if you want to see how to do a knotless box braid on my client, how I did this beautiful knotless box braid on my client, then stay tuned and keep watching. If you're new to this channel, please do go ahead and click on the subscribe button, and to join the family, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always tuning back in. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and at the end of the video, of course, if you love this video, and I know you will, do go ahead and leave your comment down below and tell me the next video you will want to see. And yeah, because that helps me know what you people want to see and the type of content you people want to see, and I'll definitely do that. So this video is practically self-explanatory, so I wouldn't be doing much talking, but of course let's talk. So everyone has their way of doing their braids or their knotless braids. So what I do is I start off first, more like you're trying to do a cornrow. You know how you're trying to start off a cornrow. So once you do the first one, I then add my braiding hair, and keep adding it that way. So if more like you know how you do a feeding braid, but if you start up their own, do 2 times before adding the braiding hair. Some people add the braiding hair immediately, just anyhow you want to do it. And then when it comes down to how many braiding hairs should you add, it depends on how big you want your braids to look. It depends on what size of braids you're doing, whether you're doing a small knotless, a medium, a large knotless, just like that. So it depends on how many what you're doing, what size it is. So I always add 3 when I do the first one, the second one and the third one. That's what I normally do when it comes to a medium knotless box braid. So that's what I normally do for mine. I just feel like that way it's lighter. You can see how it's coming out. It's not a knotless braid. Why people love knotless braid and it's just all over the place right now is because it is less painful, one, and it is a very protective method of keeping your hair and if you're trying to grow your hair and all that. So that is why people just prefer knotless box braid. It's a very, when people that have sensitive scalp, so it works better for them that way, and it's less painful than a normal box braid. It's way less painful. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do go ahead and click on that subscribe button. I honestly don't know why you haven't subscribed, but please do go ahead and subscribe. Click that subscribe button, click on the notification bell so you get notified anytime I post any new video. And also please give this video a big thumbs up, as that helps my channel grow. Don't forget also to share this video with your friends and family so others can as well see this video, because this video needs to be seen. Okay, so okay. So recently I've been honestly, you guys, YouTube can be so draining. Combining YouTube with my work, with my combining YouTube, I don't want it to seem like I'm complaining a lot or something like that, but I just feel like me saying how I feel or saying all these things, I feel free and I just feel good, I feel better and all that. Combining YouTube and doing all these things, the kind of views I get on my videos, they are just so heartbreaking. I'm laughing right now, and I'm laughing right now, but it's kind of funny, but it's not funny then. It's not really encouraging. But I'm just, this is what I love doing. I love everything that has to do with beauty. I love I love this YouTube that I'm doing. I love what I'm doing. So that is the only thing that keeps me going. And even if it's 10 views I get, I'm like, yeah, I have 10 people watching me, and let me make you worth their time, you know. So that's what I do, and that's what still keeps me going. So if you're a small YouTuber here and you're struggling, you're trying to do anything, just keep pushing. Like, keep pushing. All these people with many subscribers are, you know, that have grown to wherever they are right now, they started off like this as well, you know. But I just feel like, don't give up. You're getting there, you're going to get there, so just keep pushing. One day you will definitely get there, and you will look back and then tell your story and all that. So keep pushing, keep going, keep doing what you're doing. You're going to be fine. Really. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe, share this video with your friends and family, leave a comment down below and tell me the next video you would love to see, and also don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not done so already. We are coming to the end of this video and you will definitely see the outcome of this video right here. And yeah, the hair was so beautiful. I loved the color. The client was so stress-free, like unproblematic. You know, I feel like I am so blessed. I have so many unproblematic clients, you know, clients who don't even stress me at all. Like, I have so many amazing clients and I'm so grateful to God for them coming my way, because I've heard stories of people having, you know, clients issues and all that, but so far so good. I have had amazing clients and I am so grateful for them. Oh, thank you so much for supporting me. Thank you for all you do. You know, thank you so much. I don't know what else to say, but thank you. So thank you for watching. I'll definitely be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye bye.